Hi and welcome to my new video tutorial. And over here we have the GA-1000, and we are going to run through the tutorial on how to set the time and date. So let's start with the setting the home city settings. First of all, whilst in the standard timekeeping mode, press and hold the adjust button until the ADG or the adjust shows on the this screen over here, and then let it go. So press and hold it, adjust, let go. And first in a row of settings, as I said previously, is the home city settings. To shuffle between your time zone, use the light and the search button over here. So when I'm shuffling between the city codes, I'm automatically changing the time value. So I want to go to the Paris because that is my time zone. Next press of the mode button gets us to the daylight saving time, or setting is the daylight saving time on, off, and you can scroll it using the search button. So currently in my time zone, my current time and date is my DST setting is off. Next press of the mode button shuffles us to 12 or 24-hour time format, and by pressing the search button I can shuffle between 12 and 24-hour time format, and I'm gonna leave it in 24-hour time format. Pressing the mode button again gets us to setting the seconds value over here, and as you can see the seconds are flashing. Now you cannot set the exact value of the seconds, but what you can do is the reset the seconds value to 0. So pressing the search button will reset seconds to 0. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the hour value, and currently in my time zone it's the 8 o'clock. So using these two buttons, so the light button and the search button, you can increase or decrease the value of hours. I'm gonna get it to 20 o'clock. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the minutes value, and it is 53 minutes, sorry, and but the procedure is the same. Using the light and the search button you can increase or decrease the value. Pressing the mode button gets us to year setting. Again, using the light and the search button you can increase or decrease the value, and the procedure is exactly the same for the month and day setting. Again, I'm shuffling between these settings using the mode button. Next, and the press of the mode button gets us to the button operation tone, and using the search button you can mute it or let it stay on. Next press of the mode button is the illumination duration. This LT3 stands for 3 seconds duration of the illumination when I press the light button in the standard timekeeping mode. Pressing the search button reduces to LT1, and that stands for 1.5 second duration of illumination. I'm gonna leave it at 3. Next press of the mode button returns us to the beginning of the cycle and setting the home city time. Once you are done with the settings, simply pressing the adjust button returns us to the standard timekeeping mode, and the watch will implement the settings I've previously made. So that would be the basics of setting the time and date on this watch. Thank you very much for watching. Please do leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more watch content. Thanks.